evening. So, people, welcome. This is my birthday present. It came while I was on holiday. So, today I'm going to open up my gift with you. I have no idea what is in there. It was presented to me from my husband, but I don't know what's in there. So, let's do it. Okay, so we are going to open up. How I drop? Oh, we are going to open up. Look, repeat. Guess what is it? No, is it what I'm thinking? Go. So, we can see that it is Nike. Well, we don't know what is in there. If it's red, white, blue, pink, orange, black, we don't know. So listen, me and Uno, I go see it same time. I'm going to turn it like this, and you guys are going to see. Open my birthday gift with me. Come. 1, 2, 3, go. This is the receipt, guys. I'm not showing the receipt. Somebody can, only me alone can see what is there. There you have it. So now, let's go. One. That's my birthday gift. From Jeff. From my darling. Okay? All right. So here we go. This is let me see what it is. I'm telling you what they find this. So Air Force One woman. Here it is. This is my Air Force One. And it's from JD Sports there. La. Foot Locker. Oh, he says Foot Locker. I thought it was JD. But it says Foot Locker. Sure, sit there. Thank you, darling. Thank you for my birthday gift. You can say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
He doesn't like to be on camera. But me not put him on there. But he's supposed to answer. So there you have it. That's my birthday gift. Yep. And there we are. Air Force. I had one before, but that was a long time. So I really wanted a white Air Force because I have no all white trainers. So here we have it. Thank you. Bye, guys.